In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail search operators to conquer your inbox. Instead of scrolling endlessly, you'll learn to filter with precision using quick commands right in Gmail's search bar. Open your browser, log in to Gmail, and look for the search box at the top. That's where we'll type these operators. Think of them as shortcuts that tell Gmail exactly what to find. Let's start with clearing space by surfacing big files. Type has attachment to pull up every message with a file attached. If storage is tight, add larger up to 10 MB to show emails bigger than 10 megabytes. You can change the number to 5 MB or 20 MB depending on what you need. If you're hunting for a specific file type, use file name PDF to see only emails with PDFs attached. Combine these as needed to quickly review, download what matters, and delete or archive the rest. A quick tip: after running a search, you can select all visible results, skim for anything important, and then remove the clutter in one go. Next is your cleanup crew for bulk deletion. Use older than 1Y to reveal mail older than a year. Then zero in on low-value tabs with category promotions or category social to find marketing blasts and social updates that pile up. Search for unsubscribe to surface newsletters and mailing lists. This is perfect for pruning what you don't read anymore. When you need one exact thing, switch to laser focus. Use from, followed by the sender's email address to see only messages from that person. If you remember the subject, try subject Project Alpha to match that exact phrase. Narrow by date range with after 2026, 0101, before 2026, 228 to limit results to that window, and is unread to show only what you haven't opened yet. These are incredibly handy when you're racing to find a receipt, a proposal, or a single update buried in noise. Ready for pro mode? You can stack operators for pinpoint accuracy. Just paste these directly into the search bar. Try from Amazon larger 1 M, older than 2Y, to expose large old receipts you probably don't need. Use has attachment file name .jpg is unread to pull up unread photos someone sent, and run in inbox in sent to surface archived items that don't appear in your main views, perfect for rediscovering messages you tucked away. As you work, review results before deleting, and when in doubt, archive instead of trashing. With a few of these searches saved in your muscle memory, you'll stop scrolling, start filtering, and truly conquer your inbox. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.